Usemotion versus Monday versus Notion, which is more worth it? In this video, I'm going to show you which tool is more worth using, Usemotion, Monday, or Notion. These three apps serve different productivity needs, but there's some overlap. Usemotion is all about time blocking and schedule automation. It's a calendar that reschedules your tasks in real time based on priorities and availability. If your main issue is time management and task overload, Usemotion is a powerful hands-off solution. Monday.com is built for project management, especially in teams. It's best when you need visibility across multiple projects, owners, and timelines. You get automations such as upgrades or updates and dashboards, making it ideal for managing team workflows, deliverables, and pipelines. However, it's less effective for managing individual schedules or daily focus time. Notion is a flexible workspace that adapts to how you organize your brain. You can create databases, product or project boards, notes, and even simple automations. It's perfect if you like customizing your own productivity system from scratch. But with flexibility comes maintenance. You must build your own system. If you want automatic structure, use Motion wins. For team projects and workflows, choose Monday. For customization and knowledge management, go with Notion. Each serves a different priority, so the best tool depends on what you value the most: structure, collaboration, or control. And that's how you decide which is more worth it: Usemotion, Monday, or Notion.